Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
After 1 month of consolidating within a narrow trading range, the PSEi finally decided to move. The direction that the market chose is up, bringing the index out of the downtrend channel. Last Thursday, the index encountered resistance at its 50-day simple moving average, but buyers were able to dominate the sellers at the last trading day of the previous week. This allowed the PSEi to close above the short-term moving average resistance. For this week, we estimate that the index may rally as high as 6,400, given that the RSI is showing a positive reading, while the MACD remained above the signal line. Join our upcoming Trade Talks Outlook series, Decoding the Charts, this Thursday, March 13th, via Zoom, to know more about market trends and potential trade ideas.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Bank of the Philippine Islands. BPI broke out of its 4-month downtrend last February 5th. However, due to the overall market weakness in the past month, BPI just moved sideways. Last week, we did not see the stock trade below its previous resistance, which now serves as its support. Momentum indicators MACD and RSI also show positive signals. With this, we may anticipate a rally continuation for the stock with entry level at current price. We set the target price at the October high of 149.60 and stop level at 125.00. For risk management, limit the sizing of your position as this trade idea's reward to risk ratio is below 3:1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.